I'm at the airport. Just got off the bus and I put my bag down to start recording this wonderful video and hoping subscribe. Look at this wonderful suitcase. Obviously wants you to subscribe. But I have to let me pull my bag close. I don't want anyone stealing. You know what? Hey, everyone back off. I have a gun and I will shoot you if you try to grab my bag. You know what? I wonder, what if I... Oh, golly! Is that a real plane? Not me! Wasn't my fault. I was just... So, why were you messing with the gun? I don't know what I'm messing with the gun. I'm just doing what I'm told. I'm gonna go... I don't care about the stupid... line. Bag. I'll go get another bag. Whee! Hey, it's my other bag! I'll grab this. Huh. Oh. Hey, sorry about that, guys. I wasn't trying to break your airport. I don't think I'm under arrest, am I? Yeah, let me just here, put this down. And here, let me use the force. Huh. I have my bag now. Hope no one's... Hope. That's fine. Everyone on the ground! I got a gun! Just kidding. Oh, let me drink some of my Kool-Aid. Ooh, a gun. Ooh, a car! I got a knife. You know what? I don't want a red car. I want a yellow car. You know what you should do? Sub. That's what you should do. You should be one of my subs. Subs. Yeah. Look, it's gonna be like a question mark now. Oopsies. Huh. Oh, I'm not supposed to be over there. Oh no. Who's spray painting the floor? Wasn't me. La di da 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 da. Much better. Okay, let me get it here. Let me take my seat. Oh! Let me take my seat. Okay, I think we're here. Oh, I'm driving an airplane! Oh! I crashed an airplane! Wow, this looks disgusting. Weird red. Obviously, he wanted to paint it yellow. Here, give me a moment. I'm sure this won't wipe off. You better... Sub. Oh, and... like. Yeah, that's what you should do. Look, you should sub! And like, whoever wrote this was obviously a professional. Because this is how I draw. See, professionally. Okay, you know what? Let's get in that car over there. go! Whoopsies. Whoops. Whoopsies. Hello? There's a dude in the car. I'm a tow truck. I'm a tow truck in a car. Woo! Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? Oh gosh! Ah! Ah! That looks messy. Wasn't me. I'm just driving. La 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 la. Huh? We need to get our plane sooner or later. Don't know where this came from. I didn't mess with it. Wasn't me. Ow. Whee! Yeah. Shift, speed boost. Oh yeah. Sorry, airplane people. I just wanted to test how good your brakes are. I'm sorry. I hope you're not too offended about me destroying your airport. I wasn't pretty anyway, so you shouldn't be too sad. What? You want me to leave? Yeah, right. Do I own this place now? 'Cause I'm king of the world. Hope that's not copyrighted. Oh yeah, baby! As I said, king of the world. I own this place. And someone said to me, you can vandalize everything. That's a famous quote from somebody. Don't know who, but that's what George Washington said. Yeah, that's what he said. Didn't say anything else important. He just said you can vandalize stuff. I'm doing you good, George. Oh gosh. I'm kinda angry. I can't smash through this. Maybe it wasn't meant to smash through. La la la. You know what? I don't want to be in this car anymore. No. I'm good. I have a rocket launcher. Nitroglycerin. Very useful when you're driving a car. I'm pretty sure it still works, right? Yeah, totally. See? See, it's just floating wheels. Totally drivable. See? Vehicle, just ignore the vehicle condition. Okay, that's enough of that. Enough. Da-dee-doo. I don't wait in line for people. Much better. Hello. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Oh. Hello there. Naughty, naughty. Oh gosh. How about purely black? I'm an airplane. It's kind of ironic. Airplane destroying your airport. Woo! I'm having fun. Let me just drive around. Just going in circles, because this is fun, for me at least. Maybe not for the people who are paying his taxes. I don't know about them, but this is hilarious. Maybe I should do this in real life. Smashing an airplane. Or, yeah. Well, I think they've had enough of this, right? Maybe? But I did just destroy their entire life and stuff, right? No. They deserve some more vandalism, right? That's what we're teaching kids nowadays. Vandalism's good. Definitely. No sarcasm being used here. No, don't vandalize. Don't do what I'm doing, ever. Unless you're the owner of the airport, then go ahead. It doesn't really matter, because a lot of people aren't going to be happy with what your decisions are. But it's your airport. Go ahead. I don't care. Not my problem. Woo! 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 Okay, enough of this. Goodbye.